Hi folks, Dr. Miller here, welcoming you to our second week of corporate financial management. This week we look at working capital management, and working capital management involves the financing and management of the current assets of the firm. It is the financial manager's most time-consuming function, managing working capital. Success in managing current assets in the short run is critical for the firm's long-run existence. Typically, firms that are successful have a positive working capital. Our grade for week 2 will be comprised of your participation in the following assignments: discussion question 1 and 2, the short answer assignment, completion of the case study assignment, and the quiz. We have 3 chapters we're looking at. I'll touch on them briefly one by one, chapters 5, 6, and 7. Chapter 5 is about operating and financial leverage, and we look at what leverage is, break-even analysis, operating, financial, and combined leverage, and the potential profits or increased risk. Let's see what else we have. Bear with me a second. Chapter 6. Chapter 6 looks at working capital and the financing decision. Here we delve into working capital management, and we talk about current assets and financing these current assets. We touch on long-term versus short-term financing, expected value analysis of working capital management, and the key word there is expected, because expected values are not necessarily actual values, they are average values. And our third chapter for week 2 is chapter 7, which touches on current asset management. And here we receive an introduction to the management of current assets, that's current assets and current liabilities. We come to understand more about cash management and its critical importance to the firm. We learn about the management of marketable securities or stores of assets. We touch on the concepts of liquidity and required return. We look at key areas of management efficiency and quality. That's management of accounts receivable and inventory management. Moving right along, our discussion this period is about financial leverage in discussion question 1. And in discussion question 2, we look at the key reasons for financial managers maintaining cash reserves and the considerations thereof. Our week 2 case study is the first part of a series of analytical tasks spanning several weeks. Your task involves an analysis of general economic conditions or systematic risk, such as risks that affect all industries and companies in the U.S. macroeconomy. Your goal is to determine in percentage terms an optimal allocation of $1 million among the following 3 assets: U.S. equities, U.S. Treasury bonds, and cash. The short answer assignment is asks you to please write a 3 to 5 paragraph essay in your own words addressing the topic, what is the difference between operating leverage and financial leverage? Finally, we look at our week 2 quiz, and I wish you good luck on that. And that completes our week 2 brief chat and welcome.